Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, the adjudicators, and all of the participants in this debate. First of all, let us say thanks to the Almighty God. Because of His blessing and grace, we can come and join in English debate competition in a good condition. I'm Maria Fatima Nadila Doniki. I'm a candidate from Regina Pacis Bajau Senior High School for National School Debating Championship 2021. So, ladies and gentlemen, our motion today is: this House regret merger and acquisitions with the tech industry, such as Tokopedia, Gojek, Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube. So, ladies and gentlemen, as the leader of opposition from the opposition teams, I totally disagree with these motions that this House regret mergers and acquisitions with the tech industry, such as Tokopedia, Gojek, Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube. I have 2 arguments, ladies and gentlemen, why I disagree with this motion. The first is this merger and acquisitions is it's give operations advantage, and the second is it's provided greater benefits for the country. So, ladies and gentlemen, before going to explain my argument, I would like to give some rebuttal from the case that have been built from the government side. So, ladies and gentlemen, basically what have been brought to the floor by the government team, it's about the privacy disturbing and also about the unjustified. The first, ladies and gentlemen, if the government team state that it's injustice because it's disturb the privacy of the users, ladies and gentlemen. First, if we look back to the things that government say that this company or to be company that mergers or give acquisitions, it will be disrupt the privacy of the users, ladies and gentlemen. But as long as they can guarantee that they don't disrupt the privacy of the user, so why we must be scared, ladies and gentlemen? And also until now, there is no selling or privacy selling in because of the acquisitions, ladies and gentlemen. And also our privacy until now, it's can already guarantee until now, ladies and gentlemen. The second point, if they talk about this, just makes them get a lot of profit because they more easier to give advertisement, ladies and gentlemen. Like Instagram can access the user's microphone and can know about what are you looking for and then give the advertisement. But ladies and gentlemen, if we look again, it's not just give beneficial for two countries to get more profit, but also if they can more easier to give advertisement, it's also help us as the users, ladies and gentlemen. Because what? Because it's make our easier to get what we're looking for, ladies and gentlemen. So if this give beneficial for us, so why we must regret this police or this situation, ladies and gentlemen? The third, if the government side state that it's unjustified to a small company. But ladies and gentlemen, look for the current situations like now in the globalization era or revolution industry 4.0, where so many companies it's try to give more, to develop more their company and to give the best, so it will be so they can compete with the other company. So ladies and gentlemen, with the policy, which is a merger or acquisitions from 2 or 3 big companies become one, ladies and gentlemen, that it's not give unjustified or give obstacle to the small companies, but it brings make some like a challenge for the tech industry or tech companies to improve their companies so they can compete with this with or become a big company as what they want to. And also this will make them can compete with this big company. So it's not an obstacle, ladies and gentlemen, but it's a challenge. And if we talk about challenge, it's give more benefit for us. So ladies and gentlemen, now I will going to explain point by point. The first is this merger and acquisitions, its operations it's give operation advantage, namely to reduce economic of scales or the adverse load in the productions and also to increase production volume. Ladies and gentlemen, if there is a merger and acquisitions from 1 or 2 big companies, one and 2 big companies, of course this will help each other and support each other. For example, like Gojek and Tokopedia that become Goto, they support each other and make the consumers to get more, to make the consumer easier to get what they're looking for or their needs, because they support and like collaborate each other, ladies and gentlemen, with a purpose to get more developing and profit and also to increase the developers, so with further improve and provide productions on a large scale so it can meet the user needs, ladies and gentlemen. look from the side of the consumers. It's also give beneficial for us and give positive impact because it's make us to easier to get our needs, our daily needs, ladies and gentlemen. And also, if we get more beneficial, especially looking from current status quo in the crisis situations like in a pandemic era like this, we really need or really depend on online shopping mall and so on. This merger and acquisitions will be more beneficial for us and will make us easier to get what we need, ladies and gentlemen. As long as they already give and try to develop the quality of the company, so more satisfying us as a consumer. So it brings beneficial. So why we must regret it, ladies and gentlemen. And also, if one of the purpose of acquisitions is to reach the wider community, which is beneficial for us as a user, ladies and gentlemen. The second point, provided greater benefit for the country. If we look if 2 or 3 company makes merger and acquisitions, it means they make more big company, which is they get more profit. If they get more profit, so it brings more benefit for the country. The first, more bigger company with more bigger profit, so the tax will also increase, which is brings more funds to country as the state revenue budget or national income, which also can increase many areas of life in our country. The second is create more jobs opportunity, which will certainly reduce unemployment. If this reduce unemployment, ladies and gentlemen, it's also increase the economic conditions in the country, which is very helpful, and it can increase the quality of life in the community. The third is, if we look from the more large benefit or into a global competitor, Indonesians startup like Tokopedia and Gojek that now merger as a Goto, they cannot compete with the more bigger companies like, for example, Alibaba Group, which is one of the biggest companies in Asians. So it's not possible, ladies and gentlemen, if they merger and get a lot of more profit and they can develop one each other, so ladies and gentlemen, it's not possible that it can make the startup of Indonesian startup to compete with the global companies, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, it's a beneficial for Indonesian too. And the fourth is improve and love the work of the nation children, because when they get or reach a large of community, ladies and gentlemen, it also makes more people knows that Indonesians have a startup that really good, ladies and gentlemen. So at the end of the day, from all of my arguments, starting that this give opportunist advantage and also this provide greater benefit for the country. Ladies and gentlemen, if we look as a user first, we know that this brings many beneficial for us. So why we must regret it? And the second, if we look as the community, as the people in Indonesia, that it makes us as Indonesians to get more beneficial. So why not, ladies and gentlemen? So why we must regret it? So at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, from all of my argument, this is why as the leader of oppositions, I'm totally disagree with these motions that this House regard mergers and acquisitions with the tech industry such as Tokopedia and Gojek, Facebook, Instagram, and Google, YouTube. That's all from me, and thank you.